Alright, this is the part of the drive shaft that on YouTube they don't show. You still got that part on the inner cage, and it don't matter what, I guess it don't matter with the cage being on it. I've always took them off, but it really doesn't matter. But I got my drive shaft out of a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 front drive shaft, replacing the CV joint that's on the front drive shaft. But this is the part that nobody shows. I just put mine in a vise, held on with a clip, and I won't have to let my drive shaft just fall. But I just press it out, there, just like that, and it's done. That is it. A little bit more. There she goes. And that's what's left. Anyway, that's how you gotta do. You need a press. You can try to beat them off, but I've never had that to work. Anyway, good luck to you.